to show you how to do an oil change on a 2015 Thor Vegas. It's also going to be the same as an Axis. But the way they built these things, it's really hard to get a funnel up under there to change the oil. So I'll show you how we do it. Kind of quick and easy. Here, we'll start out with this is the fuel filter you're going to need, FL820S. 6 quarts of oil. Changing the oil on this is just like any other car. You just pull the plug, let the oil drain, put the plug back in, spin off the old filter, spin on the new filter. Everything's pretty easy to get to. Just crawl underneath. Don't need any ramps or anything. The hard part is putting the oil back in. Alright, once you're inside the cabin, the easiest way to access the oil fill is actually right underneath here. So you have 4 screws here, in here, with the extra one back here that you can't see yet. And they're pretty easy to get to. Screws out, remove the panel. Once the panel's off, you're going to have this access door right here. Now if you've never had to change the battery, you're just going to have to poke this through. We've already had to change our battery once, so it's just sitting in there with 2 screws. Now if you do have to change the battery's accessible right there. And for the oil fill, it is right there, but you cannot get at that from underneath the hood, so it makes things a lot easier changing the oil. Now to get the cover off, you just reach down, access the oil cap, use a long funnel like this. Now you're ready to cap it off. Reassemble. Nothing to it.